Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Upgrading to the new iPhone 13, you might want to get a CASETiFY case for it. CASETiFY cases are extremely protective, antimicrobial, and come in tons of great custom options. And now with the iPhone 13 series, they're more eco-friendly than ever. They're made from 65% plant-based and recycled content, and CASETiFY even has a recycling program where you can send in your old phone cases and get a discount on a new one. Let's take a closer look. Looking first at the Impact case for the iPhone 13. Really lovely case here. This is a one-piece case, quite rigid in construction. We have a hard back and slightly flexible sides. This case is made of 65% recycled material, so that's recycled material as well as plant-based material included. Really nice eco commitment here from CASETiFY. And this is one of thousands upon thousands of graphics designs that are available from CASETiFY, so you can pretty much choose anything that you want. There's something for everyone there. This is a clear version of the case. There's also versions that have dark sides and clear backs and various translucent colors available as well, with more colors coming this fall. Overall, just tons of options from CASETiFY. So in terms of safety, this is treated with Defensify, which is going to kill 99.99% of bacteria, and the case itself is both BPA-free and 100% non-toxic. Plus, the Impact case is going to give you 6.6 feet of drop protection, very impressive for such a slim and lightweight case. Looking on the interior, you can see this white line that runs around the perimeter. This is this material called CHETEC 2.0, which is CASETiFY's in-house special impact absorbing material. This is an improvement on the original CHETEC because this now includes plant-based material as well as recycled material. This is what gives the case its very impressive drop protection. Putting your phone in this case is quite straightforward. Just put in the one side and then clip on your other corners. So once on, we've got quite a firm fit on here. There is a bit more give over your button areas and your port openings, but not too much. Overall, I think that this has got a nice secure fit on the phone. Looking at the amount of lip we have on here, we have quite a high protective lip on here, but I don't yet have a screen protector on this phone. I haven't gotten around to installing one yet, so if I had a screen protector, you would have less visible lip. But even with the screen protector, you're still going to have tons of protective lip surrounding your screen. I think that this is certainly part of the impressive drop protection that this case has. Looking at our port openings, everything looks great here, nicely positioned and nicely sized. We've got asymmetrical port openings for an asymmetrical port design, so that's great. You're also going to be able to fit many third-party lightning cables here, although of course this case does support wireless charging, so you might find you're using that functionality less than you otherwise would. Going up the sides of the case, you can see the CHETEC through the clear TPU here. Everything looks lovely. So the TPU here is going to give you a nice amount of grip on the sides of the case. Not so much that it's hard to slide in and out of pockets and handbags, but plenty to feel secure. Going up here to the buttons, these are very responsive. However, keep in mind that these do have little tiny slits on them to make them more responsive, and that could potentially allow a little bit of dust or dirt to get in if you happen to be working or living in dusty or dirty environments. So be aware of that. Looking at the space here for our mute switch, this is easy to access. No problems there. And then looking from the top, you can see we've got tons of protective lip on here. Everything looks lovely. Going to the side button, again, very responsive, same design as on the volume up and down buttons. So looking at the back of the case, I think everything looks absolutely beautiful. Love this 4-inch stamp design, particularly on my Starlight iPhone. Looks really great. So this type of material tends to scratch and show fingerprints. However, there's a couple things which are going to be in CASETiFY's favor here. First of all, if you have a graphics intensive design like this, you're going to notice any fingerprints or scratches a whole lot less. Plus, you do have a small ridge here at the bottom and at the top of the case. And that's going to help keep the majority of the case back very slightly raised if you place it on a flat surface. So over time, you're going to have less scratching, so I think that that is very good. We do have that Defensify coating on here, which is going to eliminate 99.99% of bacteria, and of course this case is going to give you that 6.6 feet of drop protection. So just a lovely case. Looking here at our protruding camera, we have a raised rim that goes around the camera. This is going to give you plenty of protection for lay on the table design with your camera. No problems there. And this case is going to support regular Qi wireless charging with no problem, but it's only going to have limited ability to use MagSafe charging. So you're going to be able to attach your MagSafe charger onto here, and it is going to charge at full 15-watt MagSafe charging speed. However, because there are no magnets in this case, it's going to fall off easily. It's going to lose that sweet spot. However, keep in mind that you can always upgrade this case for $10 more and get a MagSafe version of the case. So if you really want to be able to use MagSafe functionality with this case, simply get the MagSafe version, and then you're going to be able to use it properly with MagSafe wallets as well as MagSafe chargers. So overall, I don't think that the lack of magnets is a problem for this case because you can always opt in to get them. Removing this case from your phone is quite easy. Just start up in the top corner, push it off, go down to the bottom, push that off, and then pull out your phone. Moving on to the Ultra Impact case, this is basically the same as the Impact case we were just looking at, only more protective. So if you look in the corners, all four corners have additional CASETiFY material, and these bumpers are going to give it additional protection. So this is going to give you 9.8 feet of drop protection as opposed to 6.6 feet for the regular Impact case. So super protective. Other than that, it's got the same 65% recycled material, so that's recycled material and plant-based material. And it's got the same antimicrobial coating and the same options in terms of customization and great graphics. Putting your phone in here, very easy. Love how easy these cases are to get on and off. Looking at the fit, we've got an excellent fit on here. Again, you do have a bit of give over your buttons and port openings, but a little bit less on your Ultra Impact as opposed to your Impact. Looking at the amount of lip we have a nice amount of protective lip here, very protective for your screen. Again, no screen protector in place right now, so this is the maximum amount of lip you're going to have. Overall, everything looks great. Looking here at our port openings, same as on the Impact case we just looked at. So these port openings are asymmetrical for the asymmetrical phone design. Going to have plenty of space for most third-party lightning cables. And then going around to the side, we do have those bumpers sticking out. They're very slightly rough feeling. They give you a nice amount of grip on the phone. And then going up the side, you can see the CASETiFY material through here. Got the same button design, very responsive buttons, little tiny slits. No issues in getting to the mute switch. Everything is great there. View from the top, excellent. And then going over here to our side button, again, super responsive. So one thing you might want to keep in mind with these cases is that with this clear TPU on the sides, this is going to have a tendency to yellow over time. I think this is particularly noticeable when you have this white CASETiFY in the corners. If you're worried about this sort of thing discoloring, then you might want to choose a different case side. That's one of the great things about the CASETiFY cases is you can choose to have this with black sides if you want, or other dark colored sides. You don't have to have clear sides. The clear sides are what are going to yellow most noticeably, so if that's a concern for you, just choose a different color. And then looking at the back, we've got another great graphic design here. Absolutely beautiful. Love the koi fish. Everything looks wonderful here. You're going to have the same ability to use wireless charging without any problems. Same limited ability to use MagSafe charging. And of course, also the same ability to pay $10 more and get this as a MagSafe case. There's no difference here in the amount of protection for your protruding camera between the Impact and the Ultra Impact case, at least for the iPhone 13. They are exactly the same. Overall, lovely case. Love that 9.8 feet of drop protection. Of course, CASETiFY also has the option to go with custom text as well as custom graphics. So here we've got one of the Ultra Impact cases in a custom text option. Again, just a lovely look on the phone. Really very attractive. And looking at the back, I've got my cool customized CASETiFY case here. Great idea for a fun gift for friends or family. So this is the vertical text option. You can also go with horizontal text. You can go with text in the middle. You can get different fonts, different colors. There's lots of options here. You're limited to 8 characters in some of the layouts and 3 characters in others, which is basically your initials. Overall, lots of great custom options. Again, we've been looking at the CASETiFY Impact and Ultra Impact cases for iPhone 13. These cases are available directly from CASETiFY, and if you want to save 15% on your purchase, be sure to use the special affiliate link specifically for my viewers, www.casetify.com/thetechreviewer. The Impact cases have an MSRP of $55, and the Ultra Impact cases are $65. Choosing a MagSafe option for either case type adds $10 to the price, and of course, any customization or graphics you choose for your CASETiFY case comes at no additional cost. Many thanks to the kind folks at CASETiFY for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button because I've got tons of iPhone 13 case and screen protector reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.